Okay, the video's on. What are you going to show us, Eddie? Are you going to show us how you do things in your room? Are you going to show us how you turn on the music?
When I stay in the house and turn on it.
What else do you do in your room? What's on your door? What is it?
Baby.
And who's the big picture?
Owl.
Cool. And
Owl.
that's an owl. Anders, what's on your door? Where's your door?
No.
Can you show us?
Come look. Right here.
What's on there?
Anders.
It's Anders? Who drew that?
Mike.
They did?
No.
No.
No. It was Auntie Bong.
Oh, Auntie Pong.
What? Somebody like Telltale. He goes down the stairs.
Oh.
And I catch her. And I go down. I catch her and I go down. And I put her down the other thing, come back up. That's all.
Anders, can you show us your Lego table?
Yeah.
Where's your Legos? What do you do on here? Do you build things?
Yeah.
What are you making? You're building a tower? Oh, cool. But those aren't Legos. What are those things?
And see, this is a Lego block. And this is a Lego block.
Yeah, it is.
And that's a Duplo.
What color is your Lego block?
It's blue. Mama.
Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.